Shares of rice exporters saw a stellar run in the calendar year 2022 given the surge in global demand and prices of the staple. KRBL, LT Foods and Chamanlal Sethia exports notched gains of 61%, 54% and 35% respectively during the year as compared to a 4% rise in the BSE Sensex. Analysts expect firm global and domestic rice demand in 2023 to keep the stock prices piping hot going ahead. Given the run-up, any fall in prices, they say, will be a good opportunity for investors to buy these stocks.
The Russia-Ukraine war led to a surge in agriculture commodity prices, including rice, as both countries are one of the biggest producers in agriculture and food globally. India is the second largest rice producer after China and the largest exporter of rice globally. Due to the tight supply of rice, many countries started procuring rice from India, which triggered the rice prices and benefited the organized players in the rice market. We believe that the financial performance LT Foods, KRBL and Chamanlal Sethia will sustain due to their expanding export market, improving basmati rice consumption in India and negligible impact of export duty hike. As mentioned earlier, LT Foods, KRBL and Chamanlal Sethia are focusing more on basmati rice, which is not included in 20% export duty. Hence, we are not expecting any significant impact on the financial performance of these stocks. We continue to remain bullish on the rice stocks.
According to industry experts, the competitive prices of Indian rice as against other countries and lower basmati rice exports from flood-affected Pakistan have driven demand and export volume growth. CRISIL Ratings estimates basmati rice exports to rise 11% on year to 4.4 million tons in FY23 on strong demand from key markets such as the Middle East and the US. While prices of cereals including wheat and rice are expected to remain elevated this year amid looming risks of heat waves and a likely deficit monsoon due to El Nino. Besides, A.K. Prabhakar of IDBI Capital says it is important to keep a tab on the inventory levels of rice companies as aged rice generally gets better prices.
The short-term thing doesn't impact these companies, KRBL or your other rice stocks. It doesn't get impacted by the short-term volatility because they have enough stocks available, and that is something which normally benefits. When the prices go up, they benefit. When the prices come down, it is a drag on them. I think it is KRBL. Their total inventory which they have given in the presentation is 4,435 crores. But whatever I can see, KRBL, yes, it looks good to me for 3 to 6 months basis. And the inventory which I said is 50% of their market cap. And the valuation is not expensive. So if it comes down, you can buy.
Thus, investors should remain selective on these stocks and buy only on dips from a long-term perspective. Today, equity markets will react to the minutes of the latest policy meetings of the RBI and the US Federal Reserve.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.